Good morning. We're here with Mark from Canada. My name's Ross, and we're gonna check out his rig. It's super cool, and I think you guys will like it. So we'll go ahead and change the camera to the other side and show you what we got here. Very nice. Looks super tactical. What do we got here, Mark? What year is this?
1999 International 7.3 diesel with a 7.5 diesel generator in the back of it.
Nice. And you think it weighs
17,500 pounds.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And you're down here in Quartzite from Canada, right?
Yep.
What brings you down here? Just
better weather.
Yeah, that's for
no
sure.
Snow.
That is for sure. So you're kind of snowbirding it down here.
Retired last year and sold my house. My car's gone. Everything's gone. I got this and a 69 bug convertible that I normally pull it behind it, but this year I left it behind. So it's
travel a little lighter.
Oh, a lot lighter. Yeah. And the motorhome's a lot happier without it behind it.
And you were saying this was like a custom build for Canada?
Yep, Ministry of Transportation. It was government built. So.
And I can tell you everything about this thing in person is just a little bigger. I'll show you guys my rig next to it. It looks like little brother and big brother. I really like what you did with the windows. Did you have those added in?
No, the government put all them in.
Okay, so everything just came like this. Wow.
Yes, the government put all the windows in. The doors were probably sliding at one time when it was brand new. When the government had it built, they put up them big heavy duty doors in it.
Yeah, speaking of which, let's go check out those staircases. There's some diamond plate aluminum, and the fabrication work in here is pretty unreal. I don't think you could duplicate this in 2024. In 1999, you know, maybe. What's the dog's name?
Buddy.
Buddy, hey buddy. So yeah, we got some super nice diamond plate.
I'll clean it up a little bit better and we go inside.
Super thick doors, just like a heavy duty vault in here. And
yeah, so all these windows, awnings, everything is from them. Even this back window, I don't know why they have a back window, but they do. And the ladder, all from them.
Yeah, super heavy duty ladders, super heavy duty roof rack.
Look at the bumper on it.
Super heavy duty bumper, mud flaps. Looks like a propane tank hiding under there.
Nope, no propane on
No
this
propane,
vehicle.
or is that just the fuel tank?
That's the fuel tank.
That's
for
the diesel
generator
fuel tank. Ah, got it.
That's the fuel tank for the generator.
So we got a diesel fill right here for the generator, and then this is for the main business cab. Business in the front.
I put a diesel heater in it, so it's got a 19,000 BTU diesel heater.
Nice.
On a thermostat.
Oh, so you don't even have to mess with it.
No. So when I fill this tank up, I got for months heat.
So does it take the gas from the regular tank or something?
Yep.
Oh, okay, that's
so
nice.
I've had it in there for over 2 years now, and I haven't done anything with that heater. It works. I'm not easy on it. It's on every night.
Oh yeah,
I put it on. I go to bed, it's on.
Especially out here, it dips down in the middle of the night real cool.
I've done this a long time ago, and I said if I'm going to do this full time, I'm gonna make sure that I'm comfortable. So there's 6 solar panels, 200 each, up there.
Oh, okay.
And
so
then
1,200 watts or so.
Yeah, and then there's 6 lithium Victron batteries inside.
Nice.
And so.
There's a car with a cat behind us. We'll stay away from the cat car. And anything else you want to mention about the outside before we check out the inside in a few minutes?
No, pretty well everything. Even the plugs here are. But I did do something. This all ran off the generator, so it was never able to plug in.
Yeah.
So you could never plug in.
Oh, it didn't have shore power or what?
So I changed all that last year, It's got a 50 amp service in it now.
Nice.
So there's 4 ways of charging this. You can charge it from the alternator. You can plug it in and charge it. The generator will charge it, or the solar panels on the roof will charge it.
Oh, that's very money. It's like a land yacht.
Yeah, so I have a bunch of different ways I can charge it now compared to like last year.
Very nice. Well, super cool. I'm gonna get a quick video of this and then probably take a pause on this video and maybe check out the inside in a few minutes if that's cool.
Yep.
One last shot and we'll go inside in a few minutes.
But my favorite things, why I bought it, was I'm sick of all the leaks and that in these motorhomes. So the reason why was that diamond plated roof up there.
You knew it was heavy duty and wasn't gonna rot out and need another
new roof
RV repair in 5 years, 10 years.
Constantly up on the roof trying to fix leaks.
Right.
Because it comes right over the sides, and I had no leaks in that thing, so it's been great. And then the whole frame is all aluminum frame inside.
Oh, really?
And the government, they foamed it, insulated it, all foamed in there.
So that thing, the steps they took was really cool to be so thorough.
It was never meant to be a motorhome, but everything they did was meant to be a motorhome.
Right. Just
Right?
they didn't know it at the time.
Yeah. So
Cool. Well, we'll end it here and then we'll check it out on the inside. We're just hanging out in the laundromat parking lot. All right, we're about to board the vessel, the land yacht. Here we go. Hey, buddy. Buddy's hanging out down here.
here, you go over there. There you go.
Let's soak this all in for a minute. Nice bed over there. Tons of counter space. Great cabinets. My understanding is that this is all kind of the factory way it was set up, right? Or the whatever the custom build was, right?
Yep, all the lights, everything are from them.
So cool. I love the cabinets that hang from the ceiling. You have the same sign as me, Route 60. Oh, mine says Route 66, but same
I
difference.
still got work, like in this corner here, Ross. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with all this here.
Yeah.
I want to put maybe some drawers or something here, and maybe a shoe drawer this way.
Yeah, that'd be good. Or maybe like a giant sitting area with a bunch of storage, like a big round futon or something, or what do they call it, ottoman?
Yeah, I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that
But
area.
your
yet.
chair's nice though, the fact that it fits there and you can kind of move that around.
Well, I had this one in my house, so when I sold the house, I said, "Well, I need a lazy boy." In
You're like,
here,
this
so-
is the one thing I can't do without.
Yeah, so I said, "I'll put that in there."
And I'm just gonna zoom in here for a second. This looks like you got all your goodies up here for the electronics.
Yeah, there's the generator up there, the monitor, the Victron 3000 watt inverter.
Very nice. A little articulating mount for your window, or for your for your TV.
Yep.
And then the air fryer, a staple I have not acquired yet for the van.
And I got enough power in here that I can run everything all night.
Very comfortably.
Yeah, there's no.
Where's your diesel switch you were talking about? Where's the? This is it.
This is it.
This
here.
is the temperature control.
Yeah.
So is it hardwired or is it like a remote situation?
No, it's just like a house. You set it up here, and it's set up for what you got. I got 74 there, so then it just comes on and off here. Yeah.
The brand is
Webasto.
if anyone was wondering.
Yeah.
I recognize
and then
that
this
remote.
is for that up there.
I recognize that sound too. It sounds like I'm at home.
What's nice is that air conditioner there.
Yeah, the
That's
little
a brand new one. I took the old one out. This one's got soft start, so I can run that off my batteries.
So it's instead of just dumping the pulling hella
This
amps.
is the old one still. It works great. So there's no use in getting rid of something.
This was the 1999 version, like Prince.
So it works really good. Actually, I think that one might be colder than that one.
We have more storage,
And then
microwave.
I had this at home. It was on a stand, so I took it off and I screwed it in
Got a
there.
nice little mirror in there.
And then back here,
I like this sign, camping, where you spend a small fortune to live like a homeless person, and that couldn't be more correct.
So the microwave here is from the government. They put this in. The fridge was here at one time, but I got rid of it and we put this cupboard in here for food. And then these are the fridge freezer, and they're on 12 volt, so
Wow.
they work really good.
Plenty of room. I mean, you can really, you could do some serious boondocking. I'm set up for days at a time. I mean, this thing looks like it's set up for weeks at a time.
So I put these blackout curtains. They really work good from, if you're looking from outside.
Yeah.
It looks like a dark hole that all the lights are out.
Yeah.
But actually, these are.
I need to follow your lead. I have gray ones.
Yeah,
and
these ones
the
were-
black ones just make it look a little more discreet, right?
Yeah, because when you look from there, it's so high up, and you look into it, it looks like I got all the lights shut off. It doesn't look like curtains are up.
Yeah, but you can still be back here with your
Yeah.
TV going.
Yeah.
What do we got in the front for counter space, knobs, dials?
Well, this here, this is where the dog sits, but
Oh God, what a cool chair.
And-
I would love to be a co-pilot in this thing.
so this table is from the government, and I've taken his chair off there, and I've sat up here and had dinner with having a nice view in that lake
Yeah.
and all that, and just sit here when it was raining
Oh.
and watch.
That's so money. Counter space in
Yeah.
a van is like gold,
So-
and to have that right there is
This is hilarious because they put air conditioning in here, so I'll be driving, I'll be freezing my butt off, right? And it's so bloody cold, but the buttons to turn it on and off are over there. So I
It's
have to
like-
pull over to shut it off.
It's almost like this. It really reminds me of a ship's navigation station, and it's almost built to have like a co-pilot in here. But the fact that you can do this all solo, and then here's the he was mentioning the Allison transmission doesn't have a park.
Yeah, it's
Fun
you got to
fact.
put this brake.
If you're ever on Family Feud or Jeopardy and this comes up,
Yep. So and then these are shut-off switches. These are for fans for the front. This is a stereo, but this is a stereo. I've never seen a stereo like this.
oh yeah,
This is a
SoundStream.
pr-
That's a, SoundStream's a big company in California. They had a Folsom base, and when I was growing up in high school, this was like years ago, but SoundStream had the loudest subwoofers if you really wanted the big
And
bass.
then it's got all the gauges, which I really like. The transmission gauges here, and then all the hot water batteries and all that.
Where's
And
the
this-
transmission gauge?
Right here.
Nice. I would love to have that.
And then this is for the temperature. Dusty. And then this one's for the temperature, or no, this one. That one.
So cool. This thing's just a beast.
But,
Ready
yeah.
for business. And
And
did
then-
you say it actually has a bathroom too?
Yeah, in there it's a mess though.
There's actually a bathroom in here too. That's crazy that it.
Yeah, with a sink.
Well, that's pretty much it, guys. This thing is incredible, in my opinion. This seat has seat belts he mentioned. Nice little cactus, and then a nice high up safe bed.
And Buddy's bed's underneath this. He's got it really nice.
Oh, so Buddy's got a nice little hideaway
Yeah,
under there.
The batteries are under there. There's 6 lithium batteries under there.
Very nice. Well, thanks for taking the time to show me this rig. It is an awesome rig. You can see my little tiny van's hiding outside there. And Mark from Ontario, Canada.
Yep.
Any final words of wisdom for the world?
Just enjoy life
Sounds good.
because it's too short. Finding that out.
Yeah, no, I will take your advice on that, and I do agree. Over and out. Love the rig.